Kwa woka like finya kwa mga juang wadhi nyaka Trans Nzoia kama wayudo ni Piny Owacho mar Kaunti ma Trans Nzoia Ochako chenro mar keyo yedhe ne ute thieth duto e Kaunti no e yorno mar bero sekta ma thieth. Chenro no dhi muonyo omenda maromo $51 katho thiedhe go gin mago mag chanjo. Jatend migao ma thieth e Kaunti no Claire Wanyama lero ni koso chiwo chanjo na jodak ma Kaunti no nyalo nyayo muoch mag tuoche mamoko ka omedo ni Kaunti ma Trans Nzoia en achiel kuom counties mang'ao mabende nyalo gamo tuo mar Ebola ponono ni Ochopo e pachoka.
What has been delivered therefore is worth 51,767,712,000. These are vaccines, medicines for diabetes, and other medicines that require cold chain or fridges. These ones are worth 2,747,200 shillings. In our health facilities, we now have committee members of the facilities made up of members of the public as well as teams from the facility. Now, these members of the public in the committee are the oversight role. They have an oversight role within the facility to ensure that whatever is delivered is properly managed, properly utilized.
Tungependa pia na sisi waheshimiwa kama mimi mtu wa kwanza ward nipewe list yale madawa ambayo yaliagizwa kutoka KEMSA ili niweze kuwa na hiyo list. Ili nikienda pale pia niko na ule uhuru wa kuangalia hii madawa bado iko ama imemea miguu ikatembea.